That must be my guy now.
Brutalio!
Hey, it's Stelio! I know this guy. He's my dad's old bully.
Brutalio Contos!
Hey! Did Roger send you? Okay, so his name's Louise. Ow!
Brutalio!
What are you doing? Oh my
Brutalio Contos! Brutalio! Brutalio Contos!
Hello.
Hey guys, Brutalio here, and today I wanted to do a little bit of a video just doing a bit of a rant about Blizzard and WoW. So I was looking through Reddit and I found quite a few videos, posts that were like just explaining that they got banned unfairly, and there's been a lot of them. Like, there's so many. I've been playing since Classic and got banned. Blizzard thinks I'm my boyfriend and got banned me permanently from the game. My wife was wrongfully banned for botting and Blizzard refuses to help. Unfairly banned twice. Blizzard not helping, what a surprise. Wrongfully banned. Banned for real money transaction, but I never buy or sell anything. And then you've got just bots galore. So there's clearly some problems over at Blizzard. Battle.net banned day after creation, authenticator attached. Blizzard just banned me and a lot of other people for living close to a sanctioned region. Came back to the game after a friend told me they banned boost communities. Yeah, that seems to be a problem. If they actually played their own game... Just give me a second. Oh, look at that. Want to sell boost, want to sell boost, want to sell boost, want to sell boost. Okay. Let's have a look at PvP maybe. PvP carries. Oh, yep, there we go. Boost, selling arena rating, yep, great. Amazing. Account wrongfully banned for real money transactions. I recently got what I can say is with very high accuracy a false ban, and then they give the same bullshit email that everybody else gets after a thorough investigation. Accounts closed. No hacks or bots. Yeah, okay. Wow, account banned. Yeah. Blizzard is banning players from Ukraine. So they're banning people for living in a country? That seems to that seems to contradict their own message over at Blizzard, where they're trying to be all inclusive and everything, when they're banning people from living in another country. Just, oh, that company is just, okay. 11-year veteran WoW player mistakenly banned. So it's just everywhere. You're just seeing this constantly. I kind of hope that this happens more so more people can see it, because Blizzard are clearly not doing anything. And their lack of action is actually ruining their own game. Like, if you look at the server populations for Burning Crusade, you've got like 99%, 100% faction imbalance on servers. Like, them clearly doing nothing is a massive problem. And then you have all these bots running rampant because they're not doing anything. They can either like merge servers together, allow like cross-play between servers so that people can just play with whoever they want. All these servers are an absolute mess. And then you've got servers that are so underpopulated you can't even find a group for like a regular dungeon. Absolute mess. And their automated ban system, when is that going away? Like, it's the laziest, most terrible system they've ever come up with. I've been banned for having the name Justin Bieber. I had another person I know got banned for having the name Loot Ninja. And it's like 3-day bans, 5-day bans for literally nothing because they've got a lazy automated system. And when you have features like this, you've got an ignore feature in the game. And then you've got a profanity filter somewhere, right? Interface. Social. There you go, mature language filter. So if somebody says a rude word, you can press this. And then you don't see the rude word. It just you can't see it. So you already have two good systems in your game. Why do you have an automated ban bullshit system? You have a profanity filter to stop the rude words, and then you also have an ignore player feature. If somebody is rude or they upset you, you press ignore player. Done. Oh my god. The amount of people getting like banned or their account shut down is just pathetic. And then on top of that, you've also got people who are clearly abusing it. They know how it works, so they get like a group of 5 or 10 and they all report the same person. They're all on like Discord and they go, hey, report this guy. And they all report them and then boom, that person gets disconnected and banned because a group of people are clearly abusing their fucked system. Oh, I don't understand how somebody can be that bad at their job and keep their job. Like, if I worked at McDonald's and I was this bad at my job, I would get fired like that. Any other job, you are this bad at your job, you'd get fired. I don't understand how they are employed. I really don't. Anyway, I think that's about it. Blizzard really needs to sort their shit out. Like, all these... Like, you just go through here and you just see so many of them. Look at them all. Bans, customer service, account banned. Blizzard deleting ban appeals. It's all automated. They don't put any effort into this crap. I've been banned a few times, and it's just because people right click report. You could say something and it just upsets them, and they right click report, and then you get banned because you've upset a couple of people. I could make a political comment or something like that, and then you get a group of people who don't agree with that. Like, I like Trump, and then all the people who don't like Trump reports me. Boom, I've got banned. It's idiotic. It's idiotic. They banned boosting. No, they didn't. Blizzard threatened to terminate. Don't think devs will be getting this. It's all lazy too. It's like, oh, after a thorough investigation, and there was no investigation. It's just automated bullcrap. Was banned 16 years ago for using curse words. Trade chat. First ever appeal was denied. Account sharing bans. Wow, TBC account banned. I was banned for season for false reporting. Banned for bot, not being bot. Banned without... Yeah, there's so many of these. There's so many. "13 years of playing Blizz to get banned. Banned for 24 hours for a name I had for 6+ years." See, somebody could just not like your character's name and report you, and then you get banned. That's what happened to me with Justin Bieber. I had Justin Bieber. People don't like Justin Bieber, so they report the name, and then I get banned. It just makes no sense. Blizzard please start banning parlors. Got banned for abusive language. I did not understand how it could be perceived as abusive. You have a profanity filter. If you don't like curse words, then there is a profanity filter in the game. What if Blizzard banned boosting communities? Yeah, that would be great if they actually did something. Do you agree with boosting communities? Yeah. They added this authenticator in the game actually as well. They're trying to force you to use an authenticator. So if I start a group, I'm not even allowed to create a group. What the hell is this crap? Remove this. Remove this. Why is this in the game? I have to send you a resume and fucking sign up to some bullshit just to make a group? What the fuck? Get fucked. Get fucked. I'm not doing that. Oh, what is that to stop botting? Is it? Let's go back into the raids and see if we can. Oh no, that's done really good job to stop botting, hasn't it? Oh yeah, people selling fucking boosts. Report group. Oh wow, they made it even more inconvenient to report. Amazing. Oh my god, Blizzard. Oh, Blizzard.